Hi guys, thanks for watching. This is part 2 on Anthurium plant care. In part 1, I did a demo on how to water. In this video, I'm going to answer 3 questions. The first question is, how long do they flower for? Now this is a fair question because some flower longer than others. For example, I got all 3 plants at the same time in November last year, just before we were approaching summer in Australia. This plant only had flowers for 7 months, so it flowered throughout summer, autumn, and at the beginning of winter, whereas these 2 have been flowering throughout summer, autumn, winter, and now spring. The difference is filtered sunlight. These 2 would receive about an hour of filtered sun in the morning, whereas the other one did not. The second question is, when do you fertilize them? Well, in general, when you buy a flowering plant from a shop, there's no need for any fertilizing within the 6 months of purchase. When 6 months were up, we were approaching winter, therefore I did not fertilize. And now we are in spring, and I'm curious to see how long they can continue to flower without any additional fertilizer. The third question is, as a good luck plant, where do you place it? This is a great question. These red, beautiful red flowers are said to attract good energy from outside into your home. Generally speaking, they are not to be placed in the bedroom, bathroom, or the toilet. The good areas to house your plants in your home would be the living area, the study, the dining room, etc. Okay, I've answered 3 questions. Do you have any more? Feel free to ask in the comments section below. Enjoy yours.